Friends, today we'll discuss democracy part 2, important 2 and 3 marks questions. गला थोड़ा खराब है लेकिन आप लोग एडजस्ट कर लेना. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, व्हाट इज इकोनॉमिक inequality? This is a concept and this means India is rich but Indians are poor. This means that India is a rich country but the people of India are poor. And this also means the total income of India is more but the per capita income of India is less. आपण मैंने जानले आश्चर्य होबे जे भारतर टोटाल वेल्थ बा प्रॉपर्टी रो 80% केवल 20% लोक मानक द्वारा उपभोग करा जाउची, बाकी 20% बळका 80% लोक माने उपभोग करी साधारण भाव जीवन यापन करूछन्ती. ए हाउची इकोनॉमिक इनइक्वालिटी. देयर आर ए वाइड वैरायटी ऑफ टाइप्स ऑफ इकोनॉमिक इनइक्वालिटी, but most important are inequality in distribution of income and the distribution of wealth. India is rich but Indians are poor is the concept here. It is one of the major obstacles towards nation building. Next, what is gender inequality? Gender inequality refers to difference between men and women in different sectors like social, economical, political, etc. Gender inequality refers to health, education, economic and political inequalities between men and women. This is the main cause of the discrimination faced by the girl child. Although society has been changed, still many families in India are believing that a male child is an asset and a female child is liability for the family. This is also one of the major obstacles towards nation building. According to 2011 census, the male literacy rate was 82.14%. On the other hand, the female literacy rate was 65.46%. Gender inequality अर्थ होची मेल और फीमेल मध्य थिबा विभिन्न प्रकार डिफरेंसेस लाइक सोशल, पॉलिटिकल एंड एजुकेशनल एटसेट्रा. एटा होची जेंडर इनइक्वालिटीज. Then what is regionalism? Regionalism is the expression of a common sense of identity and purpose by people within a specific geographical region united by its unique language, culture, tradition, etc. In positive sense, it encourages people to develop a sense of brotherhood and oneness and also helpful to promote welfare and development of the state and its people. यार अर्थ होची to love your region and provide resources for the welfare of your region is not bad, but on the other hand, if you will hate others region and try to harm others region, this is the concept of regionalism. In the negative sense, it is a threat to the unity and integrity of the country. In the Indian context generally, the term regionalism has been used in the negative sense. The roots of regionalism in India can be found in the colonial policies. Next question. What is communalism? This means to love your community and provide resources to develop your community is not bad. On the other hand, if you hate others community and try to harm others community, it is called communalism. Communalism in a broad sense means a strong attachment to one's community. In popular discourse in India, it is understood as unhealthy attachment to one's own religion. To love your community and to provide resources for the welfare of your community is good. But on the other hand, trying to harm others' communities is the concept of communalism. It is a political philosophy and has its root in the religious and cultural diversity of India. It is also one of the obstacles towards nation building. Then what is decentralization of power? India is one of the features. It is one of the features of democracy. In a democratic system, power is not centralized in a few hands. It is kept decentralized in the hands of a large section of people. It prevents the misuse of power. It is also helpful to maintain socio-economic political balances in the country. As India is a democratic country, so here the power is decentralized in many hands, and If it will be centralized in few hands, then it will lead corruption. जदि पावर क्षमताटा अल्प केते जन लोकଙ୍କ हातरे रहे ताहाले ଏହା दुर्नीति आड़कू पथ दर्शाइब. जदि पावर बा क्षमता को विभिन्न लोकମାନଙ୍କ हस्तक्षेप विभिन्न लोकମାନଙ୍କର हातरे दिया जाए अर्थात अधिक संख्यक लोकଙ୍କ हातरे दिया जाए ताले एठारे करप्शन बा दुर्नीति बहुत कम हेबो. थैंक यू.
कौन बे?
Please like and subscribe my channel.